Hello and welcome everyone to a new video to your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to identify your iPhone country of origin, and by this I mean to what market your iPhone is supposed to be, because there is 3 or 4 main markets for iPhones. Those markets are the international market, the America and Canada market, and the China, Hong Kong market. So we will see to what market your phone is supposed to be, and there is small differences between phones, and almost all the iPhones are made in China or made in India. So to know that, you just need to open your settings, and after that you go to General, and after that you go and click on About, and in About you have this model number option. Click on it and you will see a small code here. For example, for my phone is A3092. You just need to remember this code or copy it, and after that you go and open Google and go to GSM Arena. Enter to GSM Arena, and at the top you will find the searching icon. Click on it, write the model of your phone. For me is iPhone 15, and just scroll down a little bit, and as you can see here in this place above the network option, you will find the versions. For example, if the code is A3090, your iPhone is an iPhone supposed to be sold in the international market, and if A2846 is for USA, A3089 Canada and Japan, and A3092, like my phone, is for the market of China and Hong Kong. The difference between them, like I told you, there are small differences, because, for example, the model was supposed to be sold in Japan, always the sound of camera is working, even if your phone is silent. And for the models who are sold in China and Hong Kong, they don't have the eSIM. So, like I told you, almost all the iPhones are made mainly in China or in India, but these are small differences between them, and that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like this video, and see you in the next one.